Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Flipkart code sale is just around the corner, and if you are planning to buy a tablet, in this video I will talk about 4 tablets, so stay tuned till the last. First up, Moto Pad 60 Pro. This tablet offers a large 12.7 inches 144Hz display, a powerful processor and a stylus support. So if you are a student, in that case content consumption, casual games and little bit of editing and note taking will be easily done on this tablet. The best price for Moto Pad 60 Pro 128GB is around 22,000 rupees and below, and if you want to buy the 256GB, in that case the best price would be around 23 to 24,000 rupees maximum. The second tablet in the list is Oneplus Pad 2. This is one of the great tablets that you can buy under the price point of 35,000 rupees. It comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Whether you play games, edit videos or multitask heavily, this tablet can handle everything with ease. The best price for Oneplus Pad 2 128GB is around 30,000 price bracket, and if you want to buy the 256GB, in that case the best price would be 33,000 rupees. The next tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Now let's talk about this tablet. This tablet features a stunning AMOLED display, premium build quality, IP68, water resistance and an S Pen included in the box. For watching movies, note-taking, drawing and productivity, Tab S9 remains one of the best Android tablets that you can buy. But you will not get discount on this tablet on Flipkart.com because Amazon sells this tablet at a discounted price. Last time it was sold at a price point of 33,000 rupees and many people bought this tablet. But in the goat sale you may not get any discount on Tab S9, so you have to wait for Amazon sale on this tablet. Final tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. This is Samsung's premium productivity tablet with large AMOLED display, flagship level performance, Samsung Desk and excellent multitasking capabilities. If you are looking for a laptop replacement experience, this should definitely be on your radar. Currently, the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus is around 90,000, but during Flipkart code sale, you may get this tablet at around 70,000 or less. If you ask me whether you should buy this tablet or not, I would not recommend Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus because no Android tablet at this price point can justify your money that you pay for this tablet. So in the conclusion, if you are planning to buy any tablet, wait for Flipkart code sale to get the best discount on tablets. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you want to know the price of any other tablet. I will answer your question in my next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.